Alaska Public Media is an outgrowth of Alaska Public Television and NPR Radio, specifically in Anchorage. Just recently, we've taken over distributing the signals statewide. We're sending a signal down to Juneau now via fiber. We're sending a signal to Bethel via the satellite that takes a route up through Fairbanks. Doing that, then we are the distributor for all PBS and NPR radio information in the state. Operationally, we needed to figure out a way to get the signals out of Anchorage to the locations, Juneau, Bethel, Fairbanks. Alaska's a very big state. There is fiber, some fiber in the ground and undersea, but nobody had ever used it for the purposes we were intending to use it for, as far as sending down what I'll call video signals or streaming video. We had no way then at the other end to check and see if things were getting there the way they were supposed to be. And we had to come up with a solution, and a cost-effective solution, to put some gear somewhere where we can remotely monitor it anywhere in the world and anywhere from the world. Before we put the Tektronix Verify product in, the only way we could determine if there was a problem were usually a customer complaint. Since this product went in, though, it will alert us long before a customer will see a problem. The Tektronix product monitors the stream and is looking for all kinds of things within the stream. As far as to talk about compliance, it looks at loudness, it looks at a quality of service, it looks at closed captioning, it looks at all of the things that make the signal what I'm going to call acceptable. The fiber distribution system in the state, basically by two companies, but they're both relatively new in the world of distribution. And they had some real severe problems when we first started this. And I used the Tektronix product with them to monitor point by point through their entire system to find out where the fault was, and we found it. One of the things I can do now is on a daily basis, the first thing I do when I get in the morning is I pull up the system and I look at it. And since it can remember 60 days of information, I can look at the last 24 hours and see if we've had any problems. Something may have happened at 3 in the morning that we don't know about, nobody called, but we can go back and take a look at that and see. And it's not just for the audio, but the video quality, the calm. It looks at all of that stuff. And I can tell right away if there was a problem. And we normally can find a problem like that long before it becomes an issue over the air or customer complaints.